Hey again. So another little tidbit that I've learned and passed along to clients over the years is when one has anxiety or depression or they struggle with loneliness or things like that, this seems like common sense to people, but get a pet. This here, come here, Oscar. Come on. This year I got this little puppy, and he has become my best friend, and he has been such a calming presence in my life. I mean, don't get me wrong, he's a puppy, but all in all, he cuddles with me. He knows when I'm sad, when I cry, like we all do. He licks my tears away. And it's just, when you get home and you maybe had a bad day and you walk in the door and maybe your kids are cranky that day, or your roommate's, making loud noises and you're just wanting peace and quiet. So in those instances, it's so nice to have your pet come and greet you at the door, and their constant presence is just a comfort, I think, for all of us as humans. So that's something I tell people as well, and it just really gets me grounded too in the reality in the now. So I hope you guys are having a beautiful afternoon. Bye.